Cryptocurrency is the platform that has grabbed the attention of traders worldwide in recent years. Are you looking for a suitable cryptocurrency to invest in? Well, we might just know where you should start. Hi, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to see the latest news and predictions for XLM Stellar Lumens. XLM Stellar Lumens is one of the most well-known and oldest cryptocurrencies. It was founded even before Ethereum. Let's look into what 2022 holds for XLM Stellar Lumens in terms of price prediction and other factors. But before we get into the video, give us a like and subscribe if you want to be the first to receive updates when we come out with a new video. It was founded in 2014 by Jed McCaleb, who also co-founded Ripple, and Joyce Kim. In 2015, Jed McCaleb officially launched it. Stellar intended to create an ecosystem in which investors can create, send, and pay digital depictions. Irrespective of its currency, later Bitcoin was also included in this ecosystem. Stellar is the blockchain platform on which Lumens, the native currency, is established. XLM is just the abbreviation for the product. The goal of Stellar was to bridge the gap between traditional currencies and cryptocurrencies by utilizing the best of both worlds. Stellar's motives differ from other projects as its motive is not to replace the traditional dollar, but to coexist with it. Since it is a decentralized network, it makes it suitable for trading any kind of cryptocurrency. Stellar works on the principle of tokenization. It converts the traditional currency into tokens that hold an equal value of the deposited currency. These tokens are present in the blockchain, and their corresponding currency value is stored in traditional bank accounts, so the funds will always be available whenever the consumer wants to cash out. Stellar works on Stellar Consensus Protocol, or SCP, similar to the BFT protocol of the Ripple platform, but has a unique difference. All network validators are equal, which means there are no central control nodes in the blockchain. But in the event of a hacker threat or any other suspicious activity, the network freezes all transactions. It follows a standard registration process that other decentralized currencies follow. All the trades occur simultaneously to avoid fraud. The Stellar Development Foundation governs the network. It is a non-profitable organization that holds no shareholders, hence there is no central power for the network, which enables each investor and developer to expand the power of the network each passing day. Apart from overlooking the function of the network, it also strives towards envisioning the future for its network and the improvisations needed to help keep up with the competition. Stellar Lumens is ideal for micropayments and cross-border transactions. Stellar charges a nominal fee in Lumens for these transactions, so users must buy Lumens for transactions. Apart from currencies, users can also tokenize gold, silver, and other assets. The decentralized blockchain acts as an unrestricted financial source for the infrastructure system. Stellar Lumens is accessible to anyone provided that they are on the Stellar Lumens grid. Stellar has a simple but robust security system with its cookie policy, along with other blocking systems incorporated into the Stellar Lumens grid. XLM is open to all networks so that everyone can take part in the modernization of the platform. XLM is found to be increasingly used in developing markets, acting as a bridge for cross-border transactions. Stellar has started to collaborate with government bodies to develop digital currencies. XLM has always been among the top 20 cryptocurrencies to invest in, thanks to its huge market cap and high return potential according to statistics. All cryptocurrencies go through their fair share of hikes and dips in the market. XLM was no exception. Ever since cryptos became an essential investment for investors, Stellar Lumens has always been in and around the conversation among crypto traders. But this initially was mainly due to the credibility of its founder Jed McCaleb, and also due to the network being one of the first few to be found, along with the likes of Ethereum and Bitcoin. XLM initially had a capital of $100 billion, which was created upon the formation of the network with an inflation rate of 1% every year. But then this was scrapped and the total supply of lumens was reduced to 50 billion, in which 20 billion is in circulation and the rest invested into the development and the promotion of the Stellar network. At its initialization in 2014, XLM had an initial price of 0.3 cents. But it has experienced continuous dips in the market, which started to worry its investors. Its continuous poor performance in the market made it reach its all-time lowest valuation at 0.1 cent. But in early 2018, XLM enjoyed a small time period of hike in the market as its value reached an all-time high of a valuation of 94 cents approximately. After that brief spike in early 2018, XLM's price started to fall again into a worrisome situation, and by the end of the year, the valuation had fallen by more than 90% of its initial estimation and remained almost in the same range for the rest of the year. Things just got worse for XLM in the year 2019 as the currency experienced a price estimation as high as only 16 cents. The year 2019 was spectacularly bad for Stellar Lumens price due to its poor performance, reduced market cap. This gained the currency an unwanted reputation of performing poorly in the market. Due to this drastic price fall and a dent in the reputation of the currency, most of the expert price analysts thought that this crypto is dead and buried. But after the aftermath of 2018 and 2019, which made the crypto hit an all-time low, the performance of Stellar Lumens XLM started to improve gradually, resulting in a small price hike in early 2020. But as the coronavirus shook the world, the valuation came crashing down as it fell again to a price valuation as low as 3 cents, but it was still much more valuable than what it was estimated in the first couple of years of existence. As the global market started to reopen, Stellar Lumens XLM experienced a sharp spike in valuation and crossed the threshold level of the 20-cent mark. In the past year, Stellar Lumens XLM registered steady growth in the market with the occasional dips and required temporary corrections. Most recently, the XLM coin recorded a new high price estimation at 93.8 cents, but then suffered a sharp decline and estimated below the threshold of the 29.14 cent mark. So is XLM a wise option for traders and investors to invest? If you are enjoying this video, a thumbs up to the channel will be morale boosting. Stellar Lumens XLM currently sits in a price valuation of 24.4 cents, with a market cap of $6,114,337,041. It has experienced a price change of minus 3.62% in the past 24 hours and a price drop of minus 8.05% in the past 7 days. So is it advisable to invest in XLM right now? Experts and professional analysts have predicted that XLM will be a dark horse in this year's digital rat race. XLM's price inflation is predicted to be around 35 to 45 cents and an estimated price value of 65 to 85 cents by the year 2025. But it is advised not to invest huge amounts in XLM and take a risk due to the history of the stunningly drastic price drops in its market valuation. Stellar Lumens is ideal for amateur investors and investors who have a small capital for investment. It is also ideal for cross-border trading, as the difference in currencies may come in favor of the investor. XLM will be ideal for those who seek a source of passive income. The profit margin won't be huge, but so will be the loss percentage if and when it occurs. That's all for today, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do like and share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified and stay updated about the latest trends in the crypto world.